off out there is 377464 on the 1202 Southern service to Orr from London Victoria. And behind me is 375705 and 375805, which recently came in on a terminating service from London Bridge. It was cancelled between London Bridge and London Charing Cross due to a late arrival of an inbound service. So it'll be seen services by Southern and South Eastern from Hastings. Previous clip that you saw was these two terminating in from London Bridge, as well as Gatwick Express 387215 heading off to Brighton. So without further ado, let's see what Hastings has to offer. We now see 375705. Cheers! 375705 now makes proceedings to the sidings. 375705 is the only set they'll be heading off to London Charing Cross later on in the day. I presume this set will be coupling up with another unit later on in the day, but who knows. If that unit goes to the sidings, arriving now is the 1211 Southern service from Ashford International to Eastbourne, worked by the 171s. Worked by 171 810. And that 8-car 375 that we saw terminate in the previous clips was actually from London Charing Cross. The next southeastern service that will terminate here is actually the service from London Bridge, which is cancelled between Charing Cross and London Bridge due to late arrival of an inbound service. Those two go out when they depart. Now heading off now is the 1211 Southern service to Eastbourne, 171 810. Should see that set return later on when she heads back for Ashford International. Terminating her way in now will be a terminating southeastern service from London Bridge. Which is led by 375 808. From London Bridge. Making her preparation to depart now is the 1221 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross, 375 805. There she goes. With our next call in place. Waiting for that service will be St Leonard's Warriors Grill.
Platform 3 for the 12:25 Southern service to Ashford International.
She goes through London Charing Cross. Okay, back to come round the corner now will be the 12:25 Southern service from Eastbourne to Ashford International.
The train now arriving alongside platform number 3 will form the 12:25 Southern service to Ashford International. Please remain behind the yellow line and allow passengers off the train before boarding. Thank you.
Works by one of their 171s, as behind me should be the will also be the 12:25 Southern service from Orr to London Victoria. This one is led by 171 201. Keeping my eye out for the 12:25 to London Victoria. There's no sign of it. We'll catch you this one when she pass. Arriving now is the 12:25 Southern service to London Victoria from Orr. Is the return of 377464. As now heading off is the 12:25 Southern service to Ashford International from Eastbourne. Guys, continue onwards to Ashford International. Making our preparation to depart now is the 12:25 Southern service to London Victoria from Orr, 377464. As I can just about still hear 171 201 still powering up to Ashford International. Bound for London Victoria. Okay, about to come her way around the corner now will be the 12:36 Southern service from Brighton to Orr. And it's going to be another Gatwick Express 387. This one's a long way from home. Apparently the staff was saying that Southern have rented a few Gatwick Express 387s. Unsure why, but who knows. On this particular one is 387225. So that's two we've seen going to and from Brighton. There you go. We'll catch this one at the pass. Now the Pine is the 12:36 Southern service to Orr from Brighton, 387225. making our preparations to depart now is the 1244 South Eastern Service to London Charing Cross, 375 808 and our classmate. Here she goes. There she goes, proceeding her journey onwards to London Charing Cross. Terminating in now is a terminating South Eastern service from London Charing Cross. On the front is 375 822. We'll see this one go back out when she departs back out for London Charing Cross. There, try again. Arriving now is the 1256 Southern service to Brighton from Orr. This is the turn of 387 225. Obviously we won't be able to probably see it depart back out for Brighton, but I'll try. But there's that one arriving in from Orr to Brighton. Departing back out now is 387225 on the 1256 Southern service to Brighton from Orr. You can just about see her head off in the distance. Hopefully we should see that set return back from Brighton to Orr, but who knows. But off she goes to Brighton. Coming in now is the 1301 Southern service to Orr from London Victoria. Should see it come around the corner any second now. Here she comes. Refurbished unit on this one, and the answer is no, it's just an ordinary one. Oh no, there is another refurbished one. It's led by 377 139. We'll catch this one when she departs. Now the plan is the 1201 Southern service to Orr. 377 139. See that Saturday 10 when she heads back off to London Victoria. Okay, soon to come around the corner now will be the 1311 Southern Service from Ashford International to Eastbourne. Here she is. Worked by a pair of 171s. This is led by 171 809. Should see that unit head out in the distance when she heads out for Eastbourne. Terminating her way now will be a terminating southeastern service from London Charing Cross, led by 375 708. See this one go back out with her classmate and slip parts. Heading off in the distance is the 1311 Southern Service to Eastbourne, Ashford International. For the next calling point will be Lewes Railway. Now the point is the 1321 Southeastern Service to London Charing Cross, 375822 and its classmate. Here she goes.
Platform 3 for the 1325 Southern Service to Ashford International. Calling at all 3 Oaks, which will see you in
There she goes, continue Hamilton's journey to London Charing Cross. Arriving now is the 1325 Southern Service to London Victoria from Orr. This should be the return of 377139. And most certainly it is. As incoming now is the slightly delayed 1325 Southern Service to Ashford International from Eastbourne. I said it's going to Eastbourne then. It's because that service over there is going by Eastbourne, that's why. And it's the return of 171 810. We'll catch at least 2 when they go out. Now the point is the 1325 Southern Service to London Victoria from Orr, 377139, where we'll later couple up with a unit or so at Eastbourne to continue her journey onwards to London Victoria, as also departing now is the 1325 Southern Service to Ashford International, running back 2 or 3 minutes late. Cheers. Probably will see that unit return from Ashford International, but who knows? Well, she goes. Okay, passing through now is a Tampa service. I was not expecting this to come through. It's DR 98980. With 98930 on the back. Not sure where she's heading to, but I'll try to find out in the next script. Was not expecting any freight or anything to come through, but there you go. Arriving now is the 1336 Southern Service to Orr from Brighton, and if my memory serves me right, this should be the return of 387215 that we saw earlier, but don't quote me on that one. It is an ex-Gary Express unit, I can show you that. And it is the... No, but it's 387218 this time. We'll see this one go out into the parts. Making our preparations to depart now is the 1336 Southern Service to Orr. She goes. Nice deco whistle as well, thank you very much. To be honest, I never thought Gary Express 387s could go to Orr. I thought they were really known as doing services between London, Victoria and Brighton or Garrick Airport, but that's something new for me to know. But there you go. Should see that set return when she heads back out from Orr to Brighton. Now departing is the 1344 South Eastern Service to London Charing Cross, 375708 and her classmate. goes. Bound for London Charing Cross. Terminating her way in now will be terminating South Eastern service from London Charing Cross. On the front of this one is 375 83. There's that one arriving in from London Charing Cross. Arriving in now is the 1356 Southern service to Brighton from Orr. This should be the return of 387218. Yep, that certainly is. There's that one arriving in for Brighton. She'll cut that service departing out when she departs. Departing behind that pair of 375s now is the 1356 Southern service to Brighton, 387218. There she goes, bound for Brighton. Soon to come round the corner now is the 1401 Southern service to Orr from London Victoria. This is another refurbished Southern 377 unit. This is led by 377 471. That magpie almost got hit by a train just there, but there you go. We'll catch her this service going out when she departs. Now departing is the 1401 Southern service to Orr, 377 471 is at the helm. There she goes. As this service continues onwards to Orr, I shall leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked what you've seen here at Hastings, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments or recommendations of stations you want me to do, as I'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. I've never been to Hastings before for any transporting, but it was a good station to visit, I've got to admit that. My next station will most likely be from Gillingham. Haven't been there before, well, for a while I should say, but not for spotting though. But it will be a good station to go to. So until then, from me here at Hastings, I'll see you all later. From me here and from 37583 parked up here at Hastings, I'll see you all later. Take care guys, and